Hello and welcome to Auto Animals. Today we're here with my old Land Rover Series 3, which you may remember from one of our earlier videos we changed the battery on. Unfortunately, it pretty much passed away about 2 years ago. It failed its MOT so spectacularly they needed 2 pages of A4 to list everything. So today, 2 years later, we've decided to see if it still starts. So hopefully all we have to do is put a battery in and start it. We're going to administer first aid.
This week on Britain's Most Haunted Cars.
Oh no, that's meant to be off. That was the battery clamp.
Don't get your battery.
Oh wow.
It's quite dry. Doesn't look a lot different really, does it?
No, it's a bit oily.
There's a wood panel in front of it. Yeah.
Do you want to get one go to yourself on the exhaust and one in the engine bay?
Yeah, yeah. Do you want me to stop this? I just want to see Dad trying to open it. Is it still right? He's got a new starter button.
Grass carpet.
It's your starter button? Yeah, look, big red button.
Oh yeah, that's nice, isn't it?
A little chrome and ooh la la. I like your flashy starter button.
That's the glow plug button.
Oh, chrome.
It's very 80s in here. You've got mouldy seats as well.
Oh, do I?
No, they're paper fit, just hammer them on. They've got a weird motor.
Well, we heard it.
Sorry.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah. It has got fuel in it, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Probably got to pump the fuel through as well.
Adam, can you tell us what's happening?
Well, so far, it's not starting.
Why?
Oh, it's a Land Rover. The only thing I can think is WD-40 on the plugs.
I know it's going to start. So what? You're going to get out gases.
Shouldn't even need you shouldn't need to put your foot on.
It's actually working.
Well, they should be. They're new plugs.
Okay. Come off really.
I wouldn't have thought so. Like I said, the only thing I ever did was spray WD-40 on the plugs, and that sometimes helped.
Mind that chin on the positive lead.
Hello. No, I didn't think it would. That should be turning over fast enough.
Should it?
Yeah.
Why do we put the Auxiliary one across it.
The booster.
Yeah.
Yeah, can do. Well, at least we know it doesn't start.
Why? What's that?
That's the horn. That would suggest that it's got a flatter battery than I thought.
Makes me wonder.
Maybe the battery's not got enough juice to get the glow plugs up.
Black. The horn again? It's dying. I swear it was getting faster.
Nah.
It would never get any faster than that though. No. You're annoyed.
Those glow plugs should be alright.
They should be, but they're not. The Land Rover. Sorry.
There's not a lot else to it really.
No.
It's going to get air.
It's got fuel. I don't think the thing is your fuel's gone bad. Or there's a...
It's a possibility.
So the other thing is then that the fuel is spoiled, the fuel is
The
just
fuel's
crap.
off. Yeah,
Okay.
the fuel could be off.
Yeah, and you need to drain the tank and fill it with fresh diesel.
There's not a lot in here, to be honest. You could almost get away with diluting it with fresh diesel.
Probably.
I mean, look, there's all in there.
Do you think that might be part of your problem? Not being funny.
Yeah, well, we've
think I'll try.
seen this on the Stag before, haven't
The
we?
gauge is empty.
No, it's not empty. No, it's not empty. It's just a bit low. Look.
Pump up to what? Yeah.
Is the jump start still connected?
Yeah?
Okay. Hold on. What?
The moral of the story is put some fucking fuel in it before you try and start.
Fuel in it.
Well, why is it not running?
Because it might have been off.
What?
Off.
The fuel may have been off.
Well, why is it not stopped? Why has you stopped it then?
I haven't stopped it. It stopped itself.
Oh,
I'll
that's
try
what I
again.
meant.
Start again now.
Why is it stopped?
There's more inside.
How do you feel?
Well, I'm happy that it starts. I still can't get an MOT on it.
But the brakes are working, haven't they?
Brakes work. Well, no, they didn't during the MOT. So, yeah, you can leave a Land Rover for 2 years and despite all the jokes, oh look, it's running.
Was this what Rolls Royce is in the background on the